Hello class 2, how are you? Today I am going to teach you EVS. Now take out of your EVS book your chapter 7, food and clothes. Okay, now see in your page number 33, food and clothes. We need food because without food we cannot live, and we need clothes also. These are our basic need. Okay, let's start this chapter. We all need food. We cannot live without food. We need food because it helps us to stay healthy, give us energy to work and play, help us to grow. We get food from plants and animals. Now see here, we all need food. All living things need, you know about that. All living things need food to live. Food provides us energy to the body, therefore we need to eat the right kind of food and in the right amount to have a healthy life. And food helps us in many ways. It gives us energy, it helps us to grow, it keeps us healthy and strong, it protects us from disease. Okay, look at the picture here. When we eat food, it gives us energy to do any work, any kind of work, any physical work, mental work. Okay, food give us, keep us, food help us to stay healthy. Okay, when we eat food we stay healthy, otherwise we fall sick. Okay, and plants need food to grow, animal need food to live. Here the picture of food, there is some fruits and some non-vegetarian and chapati and egg. Food help us to grow. Cooking food, we cook most of the things before we eat them. Most of the things we cook before we eat. Some vegetables like carrot, radish, tomato and fresh fruits can be eaten raw. Some fruits and some vegetables we eat raw, but some fruits we need to cook. Okay, food can be eaten raw or cooked. Fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Most of the foods including non-vegetarian food has to be cooked before we eat them. Cooking helps us in making the food tasty and easy to digest. When we cook the food, it is tasty and easy to digest. Now turn your page. Here the picture of fruits and here the picture of some vegetables. And now see here, people who do not eat fish, egg and meat are called vegetarian. People who eat only fruits and vegetables and only fruit and vegetable, they are called vegetarian. They didn't eat meat and egg. Okay, and people who eat fish, egg, meat are called non-vegetarian. People who eat fish, egg and meat are called non-vegetarian. We should eat food at regular interval like breakfast, okay, lunch and dinner. In evening we drink tea with some snacks. Okay, now we eat different type of food different times of the day. We generally eat 3 meals in a day. Okay, 3 meals in a day. The food we eat in the morning is called breakfast. We eat light but healthy food for breakfast. Okay, the second meal of the day is lunch, which we have in the afternoon. The third and the last meal of the day is called dinner. We take dinner at night. A snack is light meal we eat in early morning with tea or milk, or evening. And human beings eat many kind of food every day. People who eat meat, fish, egg are called non-vegetarian. You know about that. People who eat vegetables, fruits and dairy product like milk, curd, paneer, ice cream, these are the dairy products. These people are called vegetarians. Our body needs different kind of food and nutrients to grow and keep healthy. Some food gives us energy to do work, they keep us active, so we call them go foods. These foods are rich in carbohydrate and fat. Some foods gives us carbohydrate like potato, bread, maize, and uh, some fruits gives energy. Some foods are for our growth. We call them grow food. Our bones and muscles become stronger and we grow well when we eat these kind of food like milk product, fish, egg, meat are grow foods. Now next topic is clothes. As food is necessary for us, clothes are also very important for us. We all wear clothes to cover our body. They protect us from heat and cold. We look smart and decent in clothes. We do not wear the same kind of clothes all the year around. We wear clothes according to the season, place and time. We know about that. Clothes is important. Clothes is also necessary like food, and we need clothes to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. Clothes make us look smart too, and we wear different type of clothes during different season or occasion. Like in summer season, we wear cotton clothes. They keep us cool and comfortable. We get cotton from cotton plant. They absorb sweat easily. We wear cotton clothes during summers to protect ourselves from heat and humidity. These clothes are light and keep us cool. Linen is a kind of fine cotton. Okay, we get cotton from cotton plant, and cotton clothes absorb sweat. In winter season, we like to wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are soft. They keep us warm. Woolen clothes are made up of a thick thread called wool. We get wool from sheep. We get wool from where? Sheep. We wear woolen or silk clothes in winter season. Okay. Woolen clothes keep us warm in the extreme cold. Woolen like coat, sweater, scarves, mufflers, cap, gloves, socks are worn during winters. We get wool from sheep. We wear clothes made up of silk during winter. Silk comes to us from silkworm. Okay, and we get cotton from cotton plant. And next is in rainy season. In rainy season we use raincoat, umbrella. You know about that. When raining outside, you use umbrella. Okay, and raincoat, they protect us from rain. All these things are made up from plastic fiber. Okay, umbrella and raincoat, these are made up from plastic fiber which are waterproof. Plastic fiber are made in factories. Okay, in summer season we wear cotton clothes, and cotton clothes keep us cool in summer season. And in winter season we wear woolen clothes. We get woolen from sheep, and we get cotton from cotton plant. And woolen clothes keep us warm in winter, and it is made up of wool. Okay, and in rainy season we use raincoat, umbrella, gum boots. These are made up of plastic fiber, and plastic fiber are made up in factories. Okay, one on the special occasion we wear silk clothes, and mostly we wear silk clothes in winter season. And silk clothes are soft and have a bright shine. It's a shining thread. Okay, and we get silk from an insect called silkworm. We get silk from an insect called silkworm. People who do special job wear uniform. Uniforms are designed in such a way that they suit the kind of job that each person perform. Like doctor wear white dress, white coat. Nurse wear white dress, and army persons are wearing their uniform. You wear your school uniform. Okay, these are the uniform. And clothes protect us from heat, humidity, dust, and we should take good care of our clothes. Also, we should wash and iron our clothes regularly. Some special clothes needs to be dry clean, like ones made up of silk or wool. Gentle soap or washing powder should be used to wash clothes. We should dry wet clothes in the sun. Cotton clothes are easy to wash and dry. Winter clothes are heavy and not easy to wash. They should be keep in the clean cupboard. They can protect our clothes from insects by keeping naphthalene balls or neem leaves with them. We wear new and colorful clothes on special occasion. Okay, and here your chapter is completed now. Here is some exercise. Let us do it. Write SW. Okay, winter, summer weather. SW means summer weather. For the clothes worn in summer season, WW means for the clothes worn in winter season, and MW for the clothes worn in rainy season. T-shirt and shorts when we wear short and t-shirt in summer weather. Okay, so we write S and W. Sweater and gloves in winter season we wear sweater and gloves, so we write WW here. And raincoat and gum boots, we wear raincoat and gum boots in monsoon season. Rainy season we also call monsoon season. Okay, monsoon weather. Leather jacket in winter season, WW. Fur coat we wear winter. Okay, WW here. Cotton frock we wear in summer weather, says W. Here are some quick look of some important points. We cannot live without food. You know about that. Food is very important for us. Food help us to stay healthy. Okay, we cook most of the things before we eat them. Most of the vegetables we need to cook them. Okay, we all wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes according to the season, place and time. Cotton clothes keep us cool and comfortable. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. Silk clothes are soft and have a bright shine. We get silk from an insect called silkworm. Here are some exercise. You have to do these exercise. I will send you worksheet of it, and you have to do these exercise in your book. And you have to do some hard words of this chapter. Okay, underline the hard word and do hard word in your copy regularly, and learn the spelling of each words. And you have to do exercise C, okay, in your copy, and exercise D in your copy. Remember this, exercise C and E and hard words do in your copy. Okay, now bye and take care. Learn properly. Stay healthy.